Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your reputation with Avvo detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a strong reputation on Avvo can significantly impact your career. Start by claiming your Avvo profile. Visit the Avvo website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Complete your profile with detailed information about your education, experience, and areas of practice. Upload a professional profile photo that reflects your identity as an attorney. Ensure your biography is clear and concise, highlighting your strengths and unique qualifications. Add any accolades, honors, and certifications to your profile to showcase your expertise. Take the time to list your practices and services clearly, making it easy for potential clients to understand what you offer. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews on your Avvo profile. Follow up with clients after cases conclude, asking for their feedback and an opportunity to review your services. Respond promptly and professionally to any reviews, both positive and negative, to demonstrate your engagement and commitment. Participate in the Avvo community by answering legal questions posted by users. This shows your expertise and willingness to assist others, enhancing your visibility on the platform. Share informative content, such as articles or blog posts, to establish yourself as a thought leader. Regularly update your profile to reflect any changes in your career or practice areas. Network with other attorneys on Avvo to gain insights and referrals. Monitor your profile analytics to track engagement and identify areas for improvement. Consider investing time in Avvo's paid advertising options if you seek to boost your visibility further. Finally, stay consistent in nurturing your reputation by regularly engaging with clients and the Avvo community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.